I think for the majority of faculty, students, and staff at OHSU, the giving back piece is an integral part of their work. They consider it their responsibility to the community and to the next generation of scientists and healthcare professionals.
Healthy Steps started 3 years ago. It's an employee wellness benefit program that we started to get people more engaged in their health and engaged in the community. We find that people that are engaged in the community, engaged in volunteer efforts, tend to be more engaged at work. I think it helps us become better employees, builds camaraderie by getting off the work site and going and working at the food bank, for example, or at some local schools. It's made a big difference in the workplace.
Our group, Affirmative Action Equal Opportunity, we have a lot of community engagement with different diverse groups. I serve on the Community Transitional School Board, which is a school for homeless elementary kids. OHSU supports me by allowing me to do that as part of my job, in essence.
I volunteer with the Susan G. Komen for the Cure organization, the local affiliate. I'm on their medical advisory committee, I'm on their program committee, I've been involved in some of their strategic planning efforts, but I probably have the longest history providing an OHSU team of volunteers to provide medical first aid on the glorious day of the Race for the Cure. It's a community effort within our organization.
I am a volunteer with the American Cancer Society. I volunteer with Relay for Life events specifically. My day-to-day life as an employee is maybe at a desk, sometimes talking to patients, and Relay for Life gives me that opportunity to have more celebratory, almost intimate relationship with people in my community who are going through that cancer journey right now.
The students and faculty in the School of Dentistry are very much attuned to the acute dental needs in our community. Myself, as well as a number of faculty and students at the School of Dentistry, are involved in a number of different activities that promote oral health and provide some dental services in the community. One thing is Give Kids a Smile, an annual event that is actually a collaboration with our local dental society, where children are pre-screened out in the school system and then are brought into OHSU for actual dental treatment, filling up little holes in their little teeth. Students love it. OHSU as a community, I think, cares very much about the health of these vulnerable populations.
For those of us that really do have a heart and a passion for some of this work, we're able to do this with the understanding that OHSU is right there behind us, helping us.
From the leadership down, there's a culture of community support and volunteerism here at OHSU. It's a natural fit, and so there's almost an expectation and certainly support for community engagement and volunteerism.
When we ask, the answer is yes. We have very strong participation from all sectors of our institution, and it's quite a privilege really to work with people who are so committed and willing.